Hi, how are you all doing? So let's kick started with the first common mistake one will commit when you learn Java programming. Let's get started once. So let's imagine you're trying to create a new project in Eclipse IDE and it's going to be a Java project and I need to give a project name. So let's start the project name as your Java. I'm just keeping the default location as it is. And also the runtime environment, I'm keeping it as default. And I click on next. And here, if you see, automatically the Java environment creates a SRC folder. So you know this. So the output folder is bin, that is also kept as it is. And it is asking whether to create a module name with your Java. If you don't want, you can say don't create, or you can just say create. And you would like to open the perspective. That's what it asks. So let's open the perspective. So this is the module's perspective. So are we going to do anything when we develop a Java program in the module? So as of today, we are not touching this. So we are going to SRC, wherein the first step as a professional Java programmer, what do? You create a package. Here we are going to learn about the common mistakes. So I'm just leaving the package name as it is, that is your Java, or if you want, you can name it as demo. So here if you see, there is a package that's created, your Java. Under that, you have the demo package which has been created. So now, what is the next step? So let's create a class, a simple Java class. So please pay attention because here is where I'm going to show you the first mistake one can commit. So let's see. So the class name, the Java coding convention says the class name should start with a capital. Do you know why? Because all the classes, built-in classes, whatever is there across the different Java packages have this convention. So the starting letter of the class name should be capital. So let's give the name as first mistake. All right. And then do I wanted to inherit the methods, whatever is there in the object class, all those things. I'm just super class, you see, it is java.lang.object. So whatever class we create, everything is getting inherited from the base class. I would like to say godfather of all the classes, java.lang.object. Right? Why? Because all the user-defined classes are getting created from this superclass. Yeah. So java.lang.object. So here, I also wanted to include the main method because it's a simple program that we are going to create. Click on finish. And here is the first program. So now, by mistake, I just kept the class name as this. Immediately, your compiler shout at you. What is that? It says, rename file to firstmistake.java. See, what does that mean? Always remember, in Java, the class name, whatever you give, should be the same as that of the file name or vice versa. The file name should be same as that of the class name. Here, what is the class name? It is first mistake without E. So, it is advising that you rename the file to first mistake. Sometimes this happens, right? So you might copy a program that your teacher would have uploaded and by mistake you would have created a class, okay, with some other name. But the file name is different. So what do you need to do? The class name should match with the file name. Means you need to rename the file. How can we do that? Right click on the file and then do Where is the refactor? Can you all find it? Yes, here it is. So refactor, and what you need to do? A simple refactoring without changing the internal behavior of the program or the class. Just refactor and make it as first mistake. So refactoring is done. Here the file name remains the same name as that of the class. Now the error is resolved. Do you get this? Are you all set? So here is the takeaway from this video. So what is the takeaway? The class name and the file name of every class in Java should be same. If it is different, it will throw an error. So you have to change the file name according to the class name. Thank you for watching this video. Let's catch up once again with altogether another mistake that you intend to commit in Java when you code. Thank you.